Okay, so here we go. We've copied the link. We're going to draw the winner for Journal365. Paste the link and get the connection going. Put in the keyword that is going to pick the winner, 365, and let it connect. And then, good luck, everyone. Here we go. Picking a winner. Woo! There we are. Janine Hensley, congratulations. You have won Journal365. I just need you to send me an email, or you can contact me on Messenger, and I need your email address so that I can send it to you. Well done. Awesome. Good job. Well done. So good. Woohoo!